Hello. Today I will explain how to link your Deriv account to MetaTrader 5 account. If you have already Deriv CR account with funds or no funds on it, it's very simple, as you will need to migrate into Traders Hub tab, and if you don't have Deriv CR account, create below video description link. If you are already in that Traders Hub dashboard, you will need to pick if you want to trade synthetic or currency, and then you can select which server would you like to use, if it's Vanuatu, BVI, or SVG. But if with BVI you can trade all assets in one account, I mean currency and synthetic index, but you must verify with ID and address. Once you created your MT5 account, you should be ready to use it by opening your MT5 app and search for Deriv server, and you will see a list of all Deriv servers available. Fill in your MT5 ID and password, then select your server as listed on your MT5 app. If you don't have Deriv MT5 account, you can create on the link provided below video description.